Okay, I'm at Rick Case Hyundai shopping, getting my daughter a little Chrysler 200, and look what I stumbled on, y'all. I don't know what these are. Is these considered luxury or what? Whoa, these are nice. 2020 G90 rear-wheel drive 3.3T premium. Okay. Not bad, not bad. So I'm a Dodge Chrysler guy, and I feel kind of awkward even being in this place. But guys, for the record, I checked my dealership. Yes, we are a Chrysler dealer. We should have Chrysler 200s, but as you know, I've said this many times, Chrysler is out of the four-door sedan business. Obviously, Hyundai is not, okay, because these are four-door sedan, guys. I might even have to change the way, this is a hybrid. I'm gonna have to even change the way I talk, because I was saying not too many car dealers or car manufacturers offer four-door sedans anymore. All of these are little, they'll go an SUV, but for the most part, all of these are four-door sedan. And look at that, 20-year, 200,000 mile warranty, guys. I can't call this stuff out because I don't know what it is, so I'm not familiar with any of it. Please don't expect me to do a lot of talking. Rear camera. But yes, what kind of SUV? I'm going over here, guys. Hyundai is in the SUV business. Look at this, guys. Okay, they're trying to compete with the Jeeps and the Durangos and things like that, but no competition, guys. We got the SUV on lock, especially the minivan. This is Palisade? I can't even pronounce it. Rick Case killing it. Go figure, I'm at a Hyundai dealership. Looking to purchase this Chrysler 200, y'all. What a world we live in, guys. But yes, I hardly ever set foot into a dealership to purchase a car, used or new. Look at that. That is nice. Was 28, now 24. Where we going? Where we going? Oh. What? They're doing what time?
Are we following you? Oh.
What? The other option was we looked at quite a few. Like I said, we're gonna keep it in the Chrysler family, but two same year. This is 2015, 16, 17. That's the only year this is out. But they was $1,200, guys. $1,300. Now, like I said before, I'm sure they don't have this. I'm sure they didn't have the hail damage, and I'm sure a couple of nitpick things wasn't there. But at the end of the day, it's all that worth $6,000 more. No, and on top of that, she would have had to finance it, because $1,200 is a lot to spew off at one time for her. So, and I don't want her, I don't want her saddled with that worry. So I think we'll be fine, guys. As far as that transmission issue, like I see on the fault codes, I'll deal with it when it happens. If something happens, it's a 9-speed. They told me at the training center, overhaul kit is on the way, in the making for that. So I would be fine as far as that goes. Nothing else, I just have to take it out and recondition it. So things like that. So no big deal at all. All right, I guess they're in there doing the last little bit of paperwork. Like I said, I don't even want. Normally I put the camera on me in front of the building, but no, I don't want to be associated or a scene, sometimes your owners or your boss can get highly upset. You got the competitor dealer purchasing a car. So, what we doing?
He pulling up for rental.
Oh, no, that ain't it.
Rental?
Yeah, they're not giving me my car until I pay the whole balance.
Oh, really? Who paying for the rental?
Nobody.
Until you pay off the rest of the balance?
Well, she wouldn't even able to pay anything because
On Monday,
you
I
have to
had
call
to pay
Wells
the rest of the
Fargo
balance.
to let them know you're spending $5,000. Yeah.
To let, what, they think it's stealing? Somebody
They
stole?
just gonna automatically block it. Just
Really?
Yeah, they do it. It's like protection. So you have to actually call them.
Even
to
if
make a
you
big
prove
purchase.
it's you?
You have to call them, let them know you're making a big purchase like that, and
You didn't call them?
I honestly forgot.
Huh?
Honestly forgot that they even do that.
I'm gonna just get a order on Monday. On breaks. It's 6 minutes from my job, so it's a Wells Fargo. I have to go get the order and then.
When did y'all find all this out? Oh, you tried to swipe the card and they said no?
Well,
No.
the finance person said it.
Yeah, I was
He asked
like,
that we call Wells Fargo.
Oh, so technically you still you the owner of the car?
yeah, I got my paperwork.
Huh?
I said, yeah, I got my paperwork.
I asked him
Oh,
if she
okay,
had
that's
to-
more like me.
Yeah. Dang, you want that special?
More like what?
She
I
thought
could
that.
get that little car to drive.
They giving you a rental until Monday?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright, get me to the house. Where's my stuff at?
In my car. What's wrong with the name? Me.
My stuff is in here. Janae, you know how to get home? Where's you going? Huh? Oh, home. You ain't left none at our house?
What, you coming back? You not coming back to our house?
I was coming back to your house.
For what? Where's the key to that PT?
Stuff in my, it's an announcement card. You don't come in here? Hey.
Well, guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. There's a lot of confusion going on. Y'all heard the story. Safety concerns. Okay. So all that's failed. We got it straight now. She's technically the owner, but something about you can't withdraw that amount of money in this unknown amount of time. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap this up. These videos are a little long, guys. That's all I have. They gave her a rental. What kind of rental is this? Y'all know what? I'm gonna do a review on this. I'm gonna get more into car reviews. This is Elantra. What do we have on the same level as this? Likely, well, we don't have any 4-door sedans at all, so it doesn't really matter. So, but I'm gonna do a review on this. Y'all know me, I love gathering more content. Nothing special about the little thing, but I guess you'll be in it over the weekend, at least till Monday, because of Wells Fargo policy they put in place to protect bank owners. And I solely understand. But like I say, technically she's the owner of the car. Alright, so we're gonna head on out. In this rental again, we at Hyundai, Rick Case Hyundai. We're gonna head on out, guys. I don't know what they're doing now. Oh, he's transferring the plates. Okay, that makes sense. But like I say, technically she's the owner of this car. A little technical issues. Then they pull a dealer tag on it. Okay, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video.